10 ways to elevate your life and career. You have the power to change your life at any moment. It's all in your hands. While you can't transform everything overnight, you can shift your direction immediately. So, how do you start? Today I'm sharing 10 game-changing keys to help you level up your career, boost your confidence, and truly enjoy your journey. Take full responsibility for your life. Everything that happens, whether good or bad, has some connection to the choices you've made. Accepting responsibility means no more blaming external circumstances. Instead of thinking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask yourself, "What can I do to improve this situation?" The moment you own your actions is the moment you take control of your future. Set clear goals. Without clear goals, life feels like drifting with no direction. Write down what you want, whether in your career, finances, or personal growth. Be specific. Don't just say, "I want to be successful," or "I want to make more money." Define what success looks like for you and map out a plan to get there. Discipline is the bridge between dreams and reality. Motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going. Make small but consistent efforts, like managing your time better, improving work habits, and sticking to commitments. Over time, these daily choices compound into massive results. Keep learning and growing. The world is evolving every day, and staying stagnant means falling behind. Invest in yourself. Read books, take online courses, attend workshops. Just 15 minutes a day of learning can open doors you never even imagined. Surround yourself with positive, driven people. The people around you shape your mindset and habits. Spend time with those who inspire, uplift, and challenge you to grow. If you want success, surround yourself with successful, motivated individuals. Master your time. We all have the same 24 hours a day, but how we use them makes all the difference. Prioritize tasks that bring the most value instead of getting lost in trivial activities. Plan your day in advance and stay focused on what truly matters. Control your emotions, control your life. Work environments can be stressful and emotions can run high. The key to professional success is mastering your reactions. Stay calm, communicate effectively, and approach challenges with a problem-solving mindset. Prioritize your health. Your energy levels determine your productivity and mindset. Eat well, exercise regularly, and get enough rest. A strong body fuels a sharp mind, helping you perform at your best every single day. Take charge of your finances. Financial freedom isn't about making tons of money. It's about managing it wisely. Budget smartly, save diligently, and invest intelligently. When your finances are in order, you'll have less stress and more freedom to focus on what truly matters. Embrace change and seek new opportunities. Growth happens outside of your comfort zone. Be open to change, seek new challenges, and don't be afraid to pivot when needed. Every opportunity you take leads to a stronger, more resilient version of yourself. Your life is shaped by the choices you make daily. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how things transform. The best time to take action is now. Thank you for tuning in. Wishing you endless energy, success, and happiness.